So I was just recharging the AC system because it's got this leak. And I did this last year too, and I found out that after you disconnect the can from the refrigerant, your hose, this is the hose, I taped up this because I reuse it. Look at that hose. It's still sitting there at 65 psi. The reason why it was doing that is because there's something wrong with the car, but I only charged it to like 40. And all of a sudden it shoots up to 65, so I disconnected it. But if you're worried about getting water and whatever into your AC system, just pre-charge your hose, shoot out all that air and oxygen and water. After all, you probably shot 24 ounces into the atmosphere, and you're probably going to do it again. Probably have to do this every year, so a tiny little bit in the hose doesn't make any difference to nature.